Okay, everyone, we're going to get started on making our foam soap. So the first thing you need to know is that I have a foam dispenser. I bought a set of 6 of these through Amazon. So this is, and I just put in empty soap dispensers, and this was one of the options. So I got this. I got the Castile, I don't know how to say it, liquid soap. It is unscented, so we'll be using about 3/4 cups of that. My carrier oil of choice is almond oil right now, so sweet almond oil is what we will be using. Distilled water and vitamin E oil. And then I have 2, I'm gonna try sweet orange mixed with spearmint. So we'll see how that turns out. But I just wanted you to see all of the ingredients. I will put the amount of each ingredient below in the description box. So the first thing that I'm going to add is my water. So now this has a big mouth on the bottle, but I can see if I didn't have a big mouth on the bottle, I would need a funnel. So that is another thing to consider if you're gonna buy all of the different ingredients to make this. But since it has a wide mouth on it, I think we're okay. The next thing that I'm adding is the sweet almond oil, and I am adding a 1/2 tablespoon or a teaspoon of the sweet almond oil. I am also going to add a teaspoon of our vitamin E. There you go. And then I'm going to add a little, maybe 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I added about 12 drops of my sweet orange, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops of my spearmint. And as you can see, it's not all the way filled, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more water. Give it enough room to put in my foam dispenser. So I'm gonna put the foam dispenser on here. And gotta shake it up. And that is all that's to that. I'm probably gonna make me a nice little label with my Cricut maker. But this is my spearmint sweet orange soap. And ba-bam. I made my own, and it smells good. Yay! So thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video if it was helpful. Make your own soap, save some money. Do it yourself, girl. All right, see y'all next time.